How many inches does my junk need to be considered a man?
Minimum 7 inches, bro.
Who made you the meat inspector? Like, come on now. Like, is it a certificate I gotta have to be a meat inspector, or is you just doing this out of the love of the game?
What do I do if I have a small
Listen, bro, first you need to accept that you have a small because a lot of men don't want to accept it. If you're anything under 7 inches, your is small. You need to start training it. You need to start taking the proper supplements. You need to start exercising it. You need to be training your junk, bro, so you can make it bigger.
What he mean by a lot of men don't accept that they got a small dick? What they supposed to do? Change their meat size? Like, come on. Like, I mean, you're pretty stuck with it. I'm pretty sure you would accept it, and especially if you're of grown age. Oh wait, my bad. He said if you under 7 inches, you're not a man. So everybody a little boy. Let me give you some background information on the man that say you not a man. You's a little boy. He's a YouTuber with over 500K, and the channel name is Fit as Fearless. And I think you can call him a dating coach or a red pill channel, because he cover a bunch of stuff like that too. But before we really get into the video, I just want to explain to y'all why I don't really like the red pill content too much. And the reason I don't really like it is because I feel like they profiting from both sides of the war. And what I mean by that is they start your insecurities and they try to find a solution for your insecurities. And an example of that would be you're fat and you need to go to the gym. Easy explanation, easy little fix. You're broke, you need to get a job. Easy. But then they'll start saying what Fresh and Fit say. They say, oh, if you under six foot, you cooked. Which, let's be real, you not. Let's start the you're not. Oh, you don't make 100K, you're cooked. No, you're not. No, you're not. Stop it. Like, it's a bunch, it's just stuff like that where, like, in the beginning it was helpful, but now, bro, what is we talking about now? So with me saying all that, let's go ahead and get back into the video. It was on Instagram and they was just hilarious to me, and I'm like, I gotta make a YouTube video about this and show people these clips.
Could you just give me a Looksmax review?
What the f is that on your hair? Bro, you need to cut that shit off.
Gotta hit my barber up.
And when's the last time you hit him up?
Like 3 weeks ago.
You can't afford to be doing it. Your face isn't that impressive for you to be having
Yeah.
a hairstyle that bad. So
Yeah.
are you in good shape?
I'm like 6 feet, 270 right now.
270?
Well, my numbers are high in the
Who cares? You just take your shirt off. Let's see what you look like, and then you can put it back on. A bit. Your stomach is hanging past your belly, but look at your stomach. Put the phone on your body. Don't rub your big belly. Let your body go. A bit round. Bro, look at your physique. Bro, your body is pretty bad.
Yeah.
We got a whole lot of work to do.
Imagine this one of your relatives or friends that called into this man's show just get cooked. Like, that's basically what he doing. He is cooking this man. And the thing is, this is like a revolving door. It's like it's going in a circle, because you got to realize this man is cooking y'all, and then while he cooking y'all, he gonna make a clip out of that. And then he make money out of that and get exposure and all that. Then he get more people to cook, and then it just keep going in the circle, just keep going in the circle. And another thing, it's not just young people, it's old people in there too that's going on and trying to get his advice.
That's what I look like body-wise.
Okay, not bad. As a 55-year-old, you look better than a lot of these young cats out here, man.
I had a full beard. I shaved it off yesterday. Physical-wise, should I do anything face-wise, anything like that? Hair?
You say you shaved the beard. I don't know why. I think you would look
Hey,
great.
you know what it was? It was as long as the goatee. It was way out here.
All you want to do is grow back the beard and keep it at a low stubble. Trim the chin hair so it matches the size of the beard. It will make your face look a lot more angular.
I'm not even trying to be funny or nothing like that, but like, you ain't got it figured out yet. You 55, my boy. You ain't got it figured out. It's time to pack your bags. Give up. I'm not gonna lie. A few more years, your dick might not work. You might be using Viagra in a few more years. Like, come on, man. You don't have it figured out yet. You don't know what you look best in. You don't know your type of style you have that fits you best. Like, you don't know nothing. You got to go to a 20, 30-year-old stream to figure out what fits you best. is you, bro. You pack your bags. I'm not gonna lie.
How much money do you think a man needs to make to be happy?
To be significantly happy, 8 figures plus. I'm not there quite yet, but once you start making at least 7 figures, you will see like your life starts to change. You have the freedom to go wherever you want, pay your parents' bills, them have an enjoyable life, and still do whatever you want to do. But I think you're gonna experience true financial freedom once you start to make at least $10 million a year or not.
I don't know about you, but I know about me. I know now one person that's making $10 million plus. I don't. Like, bruh, so you basically just said most people on the earth is not happy. The only people that's happy is the top 1%. Even that's not even the top 1% at that point in time. Like that's like 0.05% that's making over a meal. Like, come on. That's what's gonna make you happy. I'm not gonna lie. You ain't gonna never be happy, my boy. You might have to just end it.